Gosh, I'm tired. Is this working? Oh, I think we're live. Alright, so we're gonna do part 2 of the text editor. Since like the last video got a good bit of views. It's actually my most viewed video, 959 views. And then a bunch of comments. Like, they're pretty, like, yeah, it's pretty good. Let me see here. How do I go to it? Yeah. So, yeah, it is. Yeah, it's my most viewed video. So I'm gonna do a live stream, and I'm gonna finish like part 2 of that. Is my mic good? Sound alright? I think we're live. I'm like pretty sure we're live. Say something, and I gotta move this. Gotta make sure it's oh, I could. I'm gonna do a live. Yeah, I think the audio should be good, right? I think in the last live stream I did, the audio was messed up, so I need to make sure it works this time. Alright. Oh, let me move this guy back to his spot. I'm so tired. I did the like 2 live streams, and both of them were like over 4 hours long, and both of them were kind of bad. So I deleted the one that was on YouTube. The one on Twitch is still there. But yeah, okay, let me just get into the text editor. So I'm gonna start from scratch. Oh, okay, oops. So yeah, I'm gonna go back here. So I'm gonna start from scratch, and basically, like, instead of implementing like a really overcomplicated, over-engineered like widget system, I'm gonna just implement it so it's a lot simpler. Yeah. So let me think real quick. Oops. So instead of like a full like widget tree and everything, I'm just gonna do like immediate mode UI, and I'm only gonna have one widget or one UI element, and it's gonna be the text editor. I'm not gonna worry about a button until I need a button, and it should be good. Alright, let's get started, I guess. Pretty good on the last one. Alright. I just want to know if the stream is working. Do we have a person in chat? Or is that just me watching myself? I don't know. I'll drink some more coffee. I did not sleep yet, and I've been awake for a while. So I almost fell asleep in the last stream I was doing. Just kept zoning out. Alright, well, let me just I'll retype this out just in case people want to know what the arguments are. So basically just doing cc and then your C file, or all your source files, and then you do your output directory, or your output file, which I'm just calling main. And oh, you could also add, if you add the G flag, that is for debugging information, which is super useful. I kept running into seg faults in like the last stream I was doing, and this helped a bit. I mean, not really, because I was not doing good on that stream. So we're gonna write some more bad code, I guess, for this stream. Any viewers yet? No? Okay, I mean, I guess I'll get started anyway. Oh, and then, let's do this. I'm on Linux, by the way, so, I don't think this is gonna work on, Windows, or, did I say Linux? What did I say? Linux, and this is not gonna work on, Windows. Why is my, oh, okay. I should probably have this in a different screen. Yeah. Alright, so I'm gonna like speed run through the, just create a window real quick. Knit window, and then the knit window takes in width, height, title. Let's call it editor. And I was thinking I want the editor to be like instead of like I don't know how to explain it. I want the text editor to be centered, so like pretty much like just a ton of padding on the left and right. And so then I can make videos using the text editor and then make shorts, and so the code doesn't get cut off, and I can just, you know, reuse the, or make more use of my videos, so I can make more shorts and get more views, I guess. Or at least that's the plan. I don't know. We'll see what happens. So we init window, and then we close window, and then we'll begin our little loop. It should be like window should close. Should close. I think I'm getting sick, but I think that's whatever. Am I doing something weird here? Oh, okay. And then here we're gonna begin drawing. Alright. And then we're gonna do end drawing. And then we're gonna basically, that's basically it for now. We can also clear drawing, or clear background. Well, it actually doesn't really matter, because the text editor is going to be like, I think drawing over it probably, so we don't really need that actually. So we should have a window now. Oh, and then you want to link ratelib, so use the -L to link, and then you got library. It has to be a shared library, so you got to install ratelib, which you could do sudo whatever your package manager is, and then whatever your install command is, and then it's probably going to be like lib ratelib dev. Yeah, I'm definitely getting sick. I'm sick and tired. Okay, so far we have a window. Great. Let's create the editor, I guess. So I don't know exactly how to do this, but we're gonna figure it out, because I have never made an editor before. I just wanted to see if I could, and so I guess if this fails, people might get mad. I don't know if they even see the video, but yeah, I think people will understand if I fail. But let's try not to fail. So first off, we're gonna do this just because. Let's call it. Oh, I don't want it called editor. I kind of want it called something else because editor is the name of the editor. So it's a little misleading. Let me just, yeah, let me not call it that. Let's call it text edit. Oh, what is this? Oh, this is old. Don't look at that. But, I mean, we're basically going to do the same thing as that, I think. Or something similar. So, oops. Yeah. That's from the last stream. Which, was super broken. But, we're not going to get into it. So, oops. What do we... Okay, so first off, I'm gonna delete... Okay, maybe we call this something else, actually. Okay, the biggest. This is the biggest thing is the naming. Let's call it a. Hmm. I guess maybe. Oh, we gotta do this too. How about? I don't know. I guess text editor was fine. Or let's call it text editor. No, I don't know. Edit? Let's call it edit. No. I don't know. I can't think of a name. Maybe text edit was fine actually. How about code? Let's call it code. For like yeah. Yeah, let's just call it code. I don't know. Okay, so basically here we're gonna create some sort of structure and call it code. Like that. And then we're gonna do this. I'm just forward declaring because I like to have all my kind of like types up here. No reason really. You don't have to do that. And then yeah, let's think here. What do we want? I think I want to store ArrayLib rectangle. I think I want to do that. Yeah. And this will be. Do I want him to do that actually? Nah. You know what? I don't want to do that. I'll do my own thing. Just I probably still need that. So let's do X or yeah. We'll do Y, float width, height, I guess. And then what else do we need? I do want I know I definitely want background color, and then I definitely want just like a default foreground color. Eventually we'll get into syntax highlighting probably, and I don't know how we're gonna do that. We might build our own tokenizers for each language, just for fun, and just do one at a time. Or we can make a like a tokenizing library, and then just like have like a config file for keywords and such. Because I mean, most languages are pretty similar to how they highlight, so or how they tokenize, I guess. So I think we could do something like that. So we have we have the basic stuff. What else do I want? I think that's it for now. Yeah, let's just draw it, or let's get our functions for it. So we basically want to have like create code. Maybe I should call it code block or something. I don't know. We'll just have it like that. This will take in nothing. I mean, eventually maybe it'll take in like a file path or something, or I don't know. We'll find out. Well, actually, I think I'm gonna. We'll get into it in the future. I have some ideas for it. Oh, we're not doing that. Okay. So then you want a draw function for your code block thing, and that's just going to take in your code block, and then we will also want an update function for like layout stuff probably. And that probably also, well, you don't really need a destroy unless because I mean eventually we're gonna have like a data structure in here to represent text, so we will need a custom destroy for that. So I guess might as well add it here. Destroy code. That's kind of funny. Yeah, that's kind of funny. I don't know. Oh, oops. Okay, and now I'm gonna copy all this. Yoink. Oops. and then we're gonna do code.c, and basically just paste all that in, and then implement one by one. So in one of my streams, I did return null, and I forgot to return the actual thing I was trying to return. So like, for example, like this, I should return code, but like instead I would have returned null, and then it took me like hours to figure that out. Because I put it here as a placeholder, and I didn't realize, and I spent hours trying to fix it. It was just bad. Okay, so is it too zoomed? I don't know. Basically, we're just gonna do a. Oh, what am I doing? What am I doing? We're gonna use malloc, and that is in standard lib. Which malloc just allocates memory onto the heap. Which I actually might use calloc, which a little different interface. So you type in like the number of elements you want, and then the size of, like, okay, so let me show you how malloc would work. So malloc, you do like size of whatever data structure, and then how many ever you want. In this case, we just want one. So you wouldn't put the times one, but you know, yeah, and then so calloc, it's the same thing, right? Except you put the number of elements you want at the beginning. So we want one size code, but it also allocates or automatically initialize everything. So everything is now 0 instead, which is kind of why I like it. It is technically like you don't really need to, because you're writing zeros to everything, to stuff that you're probably going to overwrite anyway. But yeah, I mean, I don't know. It's just so I don't have to like go x equals 0 and stuff like that. Oh, actually, you know what? I do want to add padding. So we'll also add that. So padding x float, oops, padding y, and I'll just keep adding stuff, more like whatever we need. Okay, yeah, so we allocate code, and then we want to set the background to some color. I forget what color it was, but it was kind of nice. I think like 36. Yeah, so I think it was like 36, something like that. And then the foreground's gonna be like an off white, just because it's better on the eyes. So Ray White, actually. And then I do wanna we don't have text in here, so we don't have to worry about font size and font measurements and stuff. Okay, so what else do we need? Is that it? Oh, the padding. Padding X, it's gonna be like 20. Padding Y, probably also 20 for now. Let's see what it looks like. Is that everything? Yeah. I mean, we're basically, you know what? I'm gonna use malloc just in case, like, cause later I'm basically gonna be like, might as well do this. Let's see. So x is gonna be 0, y is gonna be 0, and then the width and height, I'm just gonna automatically make it the screen's width. Or yeah, screen. I think it's this. Right? Yeah. Okay. Get screen. Oh. Height. I wish someone would join the stream so I can tell if the audio is working. I think it is. I think I can kind of test it. Let me see. I wish someone would join. Yeah. Okay. I think it's. It's gotta be working. Because I can hear it if I unmute it. Huh. I don't know. Okay. So, yeah, I guess that's it. For that, at least. And, yeah, okay. Basically just gonna draw a rectangle for now. Code.x, code.y, code.width. This is why I didn't make it a rectangle, because draw a rectangle doesn't take a rectangle for some reason. I don't know. I mean, that makes sense, I guess, but... oh, okay, so... Yeah. What do we call the background? Okay, so we draw there. And then in the update, we could just make it take up... I mean, eventually we want it to be like... We can have multiple panels of the code element, so we do want to like not have it always set to the screen's width and height, but for now we're just going to hard code it to do that, and just work on one of these for now. We can worry about like having multiple panels in the future, I guess. But for update, I don't know. We can I don't think there's anything we want to do here, really. I'm not sure. Maybe, like, in a minute. Pass. To do. Do something, please. And then for destroy, we'll just free it. And then, first, we're also going to check that this doesn't equal null. Yeah, no, okay, what we're gonna do. We're basically not gonna do anything if it's null. Could also print an error here if it is, which I probably should do. It doesn't really matter, I don't know, I don't really care. Okay, so we're gonna go into our main and then kind of just create it. So what do we want? Well, code equals create code, right? And we gotta import it. Let me do that here. Code.h. Alright, and then we're going to do the drawing here. Draw code. Destroy code. And then before the drawing, we're going to do the update, which does nothing right now, but it doesn't hurt to run it. Just in case later was just so it's there. Okay, so now when we draw the screen or create the window, it should draw a rectangle. Oh, what am I doing? Code.c. No, maybe we do have to clear the screen. So let me do that. Clear background. Let's clear it with white, or let me clear it with black. See if it. So if it's not black, I mean, okay, what's going on here? We got something wrong. Maybe we didn't set the colors right or something. Background. No, we definitely got that. Okay. Width and height. Oh. Maybe it could be. Maybe if we create it here. Oh, we're creating it before the window. Oops. So because we're getting the width and height, I'm pretty sure we have to probably do it after the window. Yeah, okay, we're good. Alright, so we got that. Draw a rectangle, basically. And then I guess we can start on. Yeah, we could. Okay, we're gonna do a rope data structure, which I'm not too familiar with, to be honest. I just know it's like a binary tree that just holds text. So I don't know. I don't know why people use it for text editors, really. I guess fast insertions and stuff, but I don't know. I'm not sure, because if you do insert, oh, let me just implement it, and then I'm kind of try to explain it as I do it. Jeez, I think I'm getting like real sick. Or my throat's just dying from talking and drinking coffee all day. Probably that. Could be that. Okay, so direct rope. Okay, so what is our rope gonna be? Let's think about that. I think we kind of want to span through text, so like, I don't know how to put it. So, ooh. So we want to store a string. Okay, so this is gonna be like, it's gonna point to the it's gonna point to some location in memory where the string is stored. I mean, we're gonna allocate string if there is a string. Well, okay, let me just put this here. If leaf node string should not be, okay, maybe I should put it like a edge node equals null, leaf node does not equal null. Let's put it like that. So basically, if this is an edge node, there should not be text, pretty much. And so that's how you'll tell if it is an edge node or not, right? And then we want to store, I know for a fact we want to store like left and right, because it's a binary tree. And then since we want to get like, we kind of want to span through text, okay, so I'm pretty sure, okay, in a rope they also store something called the weight, which is just the length of the text. Yeah, length of text, or let me put it like this. Length, I don't know, we could just call it length, but I kind of want to go by the standard just in case people are familiar with the rope data structure, you know. But I mean, I doubt it. I don't know. Let me do length. I think that's probably more intuitive. No, because I want to use I do want to use the keyword length, probably, at some point. And I don't want it to reference this. So I think that should be good. And then basically we're gonna have one function for now, probably. We're just gonna call it, I'm kind of creating my function naming like this, like I'm following the like raylib function naming convention, kinda. So like what do you call it? I don't know. I don't remember. But uppercase. So I'm just doing that because raylib uses it, and I'm using raylib to render everything. So might as well name my functions like that. Okay, so basically, don't return that. We want to return a rope, and we want to get, okay, so this is going to be a recursive function, probably. So we're going to take in some sort of string, right? And then we want to take in the length of that string, right? So can I just, okay, let me write some stuff here and then comment it out. So basically, we'll have our root node, which doesn't store any value at all, because it's not a leaf node. And then we'll have like a left, and then maybe left stores like hello, or it depends what our weight is, which we'll define up here actually, or up like here, I don't know. Yeah. Wait. So we'll have it so pretty much the rope, each leaf node will store at least 5 characters. Max of 5 characters, or whatever the weight is. So just have it like that. And then, for example, okay, well this is, we'll do hello, since it has 5 characters, right? We want to pretty much, like the next one might be like hello world or something. So you basically want to store it like that. So each of the, you know, binary tree leaf nodes or whatever will store some text of size weight. I'm dying, but that's okay. But okay, say there was a space or something, then this would get cut off, and then you'd create a left and right node for this, and then oops, that would actually go here, and then so since this is 5, length 5, just gonna indicate that it's length 5 for future people. Okay, so then, you know, you'll have like world, and then this would just be the remainder. So basically, this is what this tree's gonna look like. Except it'll probably be yeah, I think it should look exactly like that. Yeah, I think so. I mean, we'll print it out, I think, to test it. Now how do I comment this? Okay. Yeah, okay. Looks okay. I gotta drink more coffee. It's been 30 minutes already. I feel like I just explained nothing the whole time I was talking. I'm really bad at teaching. I don't know. I'm not good with words. But hopefully this helps right here. And these comments. Let me like also just a binary tree. Right? Okay. So okay, we also want like a destroy rope. We do definitely want destroy rope. Which isn't gonna be, it's not gonna be too bad actually. It should be pretty, oops. Where did it go? Why am I returning? Why do I keep doing this? I don't know. Okay, so yeah, we want to take a rope. And then basically, yeah, we just take a rope and then we just recursively destroy the children. That sounds kind of bad actually. I'm not gonna say it like that. Yes. Okay. My voice is going out or something. I haven't talked this much before. Like, barely talk at all, actually. And then I started doing YouTube, and then literally after the first video, like I only talked for like an hour, and my voice just went out. So it's pretty weird. Oh, okay. So what was I doing? The last sip of coffee kind of tastes like mashed potatoes a little bit. Oh, this is old. Oh. What? Yeah, I don't think any of that worked either. Yeah, I got stuck on that. Like, I implemented it in a really bad way. Because at first, I don't know if I want to explain it, because it might take too long. But I just know that I botched it like completely, and I couldn't recover. Just because I written so much code, and it like, and I thought it worked, but I was actually doing it wrong. Um, because basically each node should be on the left side, like on the left side, the node should at least be 5 or whatever the weight is. And for what I was doing before, I was taking a string and then I was splitting it in half, and then splitting it in half, and splitting it in half recursively, right? And then like, so if I had like 9 characters, I would split it in half, and then each node would be 3 characters long. But really, it should have been like like each node should have been like 5 characters long for my weight, because that was my weight. And I didn't realize till afterwards, and then I just couldn't fix it. All right, so let me just get into it. Let's hopefully we actually like manage to succeed. I think we can, cause I thought of a better way to do it. Um, well, and it'll probably be better if I start out like with a better strategy. What? Okay, code.h. Yeah. Okay. So what was the function called? I forget. Or we should probably just copy them. This is right. Right. Yeah. Nope. That's the. What was I doing? Oh, here. Is that too big? I don't know. Rope. Oh, why did I? Okay, I'm struggling here with my memory. It's been a long day or 2 days. I don't even know. I think almost 2 days now. That's what it feels like, at least. Okay, so let's do this one first. So basically, just a rope, and it's a pointer to a rope, and then all we're gonna do is allocate a rope struct rope. Oh, okay. So wait. So we wanna, okay, since it's gonna be a recursive function, we need some sort of breakout point. So like, under this certain condition, we should break out, and then like, so basically everything under here, like all this, should not run, or should like we should stop here before anything else runs, pretty much. Usually the structure of a recursive function. I assume the people watching this aren't like complete noobs, but I don't know. Like, I'm not like a coding expert or anything by any means, but I think so I don't know who, or I don't know what my audience is. So I don't know if I'm teaching noobs or not, or should be. I don't know. But basically, every recursive function usually has some sort of exit point like this, and I don't know why I'm putting that there. That should be in here. Okay, so basically we're gonna break out if the left side of the rope, or no, let me let me try this. Now we'll do a length. If length is basically if length is less than the weight, then we want to break out. Otherwise, we're gonna create the. So this is gonna be like the leaf nodes. We're gonna handle the leaf nodes in here. So leaf node, right? So the node that's not the edge node. I don't know. I don't explain anything. Let's just keep coding, I guess. Oh, standard lib. This is where you'll find malloc, by the way. Which, let me just put that in rope. Just so, no, you know what, I don't care. It's whatever, just leave it there. Okay, so basically I create a rope and then, okay, yeah, this is where we return out of, and we return the rope. And then we're gonna do some stuff here, probably. So do stuff here. But I do want to handle maybe this part first. Right. So basically we want to have the left node equal to, this is where the recursive part happens, some sort of string and then some sort of length, right? And then we want the right node to also create, we want to create a rope on the right node also. So we just gotta, where do we get, hold on. Or maybe we don't want to, oops, what am I doing even? My bad, I can't type, or can't think either. Okay, so, right, we got left and right, and we're gonna, like, for the left side we're gonna create that rope, for the right side we're gonna create that rope. No matter what, there should always be, well, I don't know actually. I don't know how I'll handle, like, say we have, say the string is only 5 characters or whatever, which actually if it was 5 characters, I think the right node would just be empty, or should just not, I don't know, we'll see what happens, I guess. Okay, and so basically we want to get some sort of length, or left length, I guess, which is going to equal just the weight, I think. Right? Yeah, let me think real quick. So basically, we're gonna create a rope, we're gonna pass in the string. It's gonna be the old, or is it gonna be the old string? Yeah. And then the length. So let me just do that. I think so. And then we want to get the, like, the whole length. So, or how do I put that? Or no, I want to get the rest, pretty much. So, for the right side, I guess. Or just, let me call it, length for now. So basically we want to take the length minus the weight, and that's going to be the size of the right side actually. So let me just put that here. I don't know what I'm doing. Let's do this. So, and you know what, we instead of doing that we could just do it like that. Doesn't really matter. Okay, so we pretty much want the left side to be the size of the weight, which is 5 in our case. So that should be good. And then we want to do, we want to do string, but we want to offset it. Like, this is going to be pointer arithmetic. Hopefully you guys are like, you guys know what that is. But basically we're going to shift the string to the right by the left length, right? And then yeah, am I doing this right so far? Thinking, sorry. You know what? Yeah, we can just put that in here actually. So just do length. Let's just do length minus the left length. Right, so yeah, I mean, it cleans it up a little bit, I guess. And then what we want to do here, actually, I don't know. Not sure. I think here, well, I'll get into that one. basically we want to, okay, yeah, what are we doing here even? Creating rope, do, 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 do. Is this one gonna be the root node maybe? Let's think about this, because we need at least one node. Yeah, I think we need a. No, I don't know. Wait a minute. We do need a root node, so maybe we do something like this. But then, should I create that above it? And that'll be here. Let's do that. Let's see if that works. Okay, we're still alive. I was just checking. Okay, so we basically. Oh, let me. Whoa. I want to put it above it since it's kind of like not a part of that. And also, why do I even need that if I'm just gonna do this? I can just put the weight like that. Or actually, you know what? The length would have to be, well, I mean, it should be fine if this is, yeah, no, it should be good. Yeah, it should be fine. If I do this, I was thinking like, maybe if the left, or say like the left node, or say you just give it text that's like less than the weight. I was thinking like maybe we'd mess it up, but now what we're gonna do is should be fine. Basically just gonna do this, just so like everything's kind of clean. And then I'll call this one root, probably, so it's, you know, clear what we're doing here. We're gonna take the root, and then we're just gonna do left equals left, and then root right equals right, and then we're gonna return root. Right? I think we also have to do string equals null probably, because the root shouldn't have a string, I think, ever, probably. I think that's how a rope works. I don't know. I'm just kind of figuring this out now, so if this takes a minute, my bad. Yes. Okay, so I'm just trying to remember like the Wikipedia image. I'm pretty sure it was like, yeah, I don't know. Okay, so basically we allocate a rope now, and then we wanna, we wanna do string and copy. So it's like string, but you get to set the size of how much you want to copy. And I feel like I'm missing something over here. Yeah, I think we want to divide. Okay. I don't know, actually. I think we're doing something wrong here, actually. Yeah, we might be. So let me get out of that. Let's think here. So, I think, let me even, okay, that was, yeah, too far, probably. So we have left, and we have right, and this seems fine, except this is going to, that's going to take the whole, I don't know. How do we want to handle that, really? Maybe that's fine like this. Maybe. I mean, we'll find out when we print it, I guess. Because I don't think this is balancing the tree. I don't think it's going to balance right. Because Do we kind of want to do half the length? I don't know. Not entirely sure. Because I was thinking we have like length equal like length divided by 2 or something. Or like, yeah, like something like that. Yeah, maybe like something like that, because we do still want it to evenly distribute between left and right nodes. So I think we could do this, and then, do I still need that? I don't know. I'll put that there for now. And basically, let's do left length equals maybe length minus weight. Or wait a minute. No, it should just be weight. Or is it? No, wait. What am I doing here? I don't know. Maybe we offset it like that or something. So, say we, okay, let me try to draw it out or something. I wish I had some like drawing tool. Okay, so say we give it like ABC or something, or something like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then let's say our things like 2 or weights 2. Then let's see. I have to think about this. So the length of this string is 5, right? Divide that by 2, then we get, well, then it's in half. Right. Okay. So say, okay. So say the length is 5. Divide it by 2. Then we divide it, or okay, but we add this +1, so it rounds up, basically. So you should get 3. And I don't know if that, okay. And then so we get 3, and then we do weight minus 3. Or whatever. No, wait, what? I don't know. I was thinking. Oh wait, well I was making, okay, well the weight would be 2, so 3 minus 2, which would give us 1, which that would be the remainder. So that would be good to have. So so you have 2, 2, 2, and then 1. And then, yeah, you would want the remainder to be the right side, I think. So I think this is important to have. So this would be the right length, I think. Right? Because whatever the weight is, so we have 5, let's say we have 5. We divide 5 by 2, get 3 or something, or, well no, the weight would be 5, so you get 1. And then, so you're doing length minus 5, well no, should do it backwards, so like the weight minus, I think I'm just confusing myself. I don't know what I'm doing. Because we do want, I don't know. Hold on a second. Let me look at the Wikipedia real quick. The screen is kind of bright, so I'm just gonna like open it on my other monitor. Wikipedia. let's see here. So okay, I don't know. I think I'm on the right path, maybe. Let's just keep going with what I was doing. I think this could be right. And I don't think I need that. And then let's see, I think it's not going to be a good tutorial if I just don't know what I'm doing and I can't explain what I'm doing, because I'm about to try some random stuff and see if it works. So yeah, we do want the left side to be oh well, I mean, okay, so the length here is going to be, it's going to change. It's not going to be the same every time. So I should not use I shouldn't use weight as the length. Right, yeah, okay, I think that makes sense. And so I think this will be, I think this should, okay, that would be the left length, or yeah, that'd be the left side, I think. Side, because we do want to split it in half, I think, but more so, I don't know how to explain it. Oh man, this is gonna be a bad video. But I think basically, I'm just gonna try this. So this is gonna be the left length, and then we'll increase this by, I think probably just the left length. And then, let's see, we do, okay, so we don't want to use weight because that's not dynamic. So then, yeah, something like that. Does that make sense? So, let's just try it. So we also want to set the weight, because or set the weight of the root node. Let's do that here. Root weight equals it'd be the length, because this is going to be dynamic pretty much. So like it should, the weight is always going to be the size of the, like, all the children, basically. So if I, yeah, okay, so yeah, if I went through, let me go back here, I think. So if I wanted to check the size, like, so root would hold the size of everything that's in it, left would hold the size of 5, or the weight of 5, and then right would hold the length of 5 plus like 3, so 8. So right would be weighted 8. Is that all confusing? Probably. I don't know. And the reason why we're doing this, we'll just get into it here, I think. So basically we're going to, we gotta, okay, so we allocate the rope, but we need to allocate some memory for the string. Oops, and I can't, we'll do that, and then we want to do length plus 1. You can write this either, okay, so you can write malloc for string, like when you're allocating memory for strings, you can write it this way. Some people might get confused by this, so I might, because how you would usually, malloc, you would do like this or whatever times, the length, so like times length plus 1. So this would also work, but it's identical to this. Just for chars, I think. Yeah, I think that's probably right. Let's hope there wasn't an error. Hopefully I didn't just lie right now. I'm like, for sure, because I've tested that before, I think. Because I wasn't like sure. Because I saw it somewhere and I was like, there must be an error. But it wasn't. So we're going to string copy, right? Whatever the string is. And then, oh, well, this is the sort, or this is the destination, I think. So we want to copy into string our string, but we want to do it with a length, right? I think so. Right? Or do we need to? Yeah, no, I'm gonna say that's right. I don't know. I don't think we have to do the +1 here. I think we're good on that. And then we're gonna do that. So basically, we create a rope, we allocate memory to the string, we copy the string, well, we copy the string with whatever length it gives us. So, you know, it basically creates a span within the text. So, like, only gives you, like, it'll give you some of the text. I don't know how to explain that. And then I think basically we probably want to null terminate the string. It's just how strings are represented, right? And then this would be a leaf node, so the left and right would not have any values. So right, null, rope, weight should also be the length, I think. And that might actually be it. I think that might actually be all we need. So let's try to print, or let's try to use it. Let's not worry about the destroy function yet. Cause whatever. So we gotta test this. Oh, I was trying to remember my key bindings. Oh, let me put this back on this chat screen. Still nobody. That's cool. Okay, and then oh yeah, what were we doing? Rope, or just call it root. Create rope, and then we'll pass in like hello world, like that, and then we'll also pass in the length of it. So we'll use this again. I'm not gonna like manually count it, so we could probably just like we'll probably write a wrapper for this function, so we don't have to like, so we'll have like you know, create rope, and then, you know, a helper function for that create rope, so we don't have to put the string length for the root node. Yeah, probably do something like that. Which none of this is working because none of it's included. Or what did I call it? Rope. .h, and then we're also going to include string, because we're using string length. And then let me put this up here. Right, okay, so we create that, so then we should be able to I'm just gonna print it straight up. I'm not gonna check if it exists or not. If it doesn't, we'll get an error. So root, I think, be left, since this is, or what's the size of our weight? Here. Well, okay, yeah, so we are doing this. Okay, so let me go, oops. Okay, our weight is 5. So basically, okay, so so hello is 5, and then there's a space, so we should get like hello, and then, oops, So we should get hello, and then, okay, wait. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We should get hello, and then that, and then the next 4 characters. So that. Which that's like 3. That's like 3 nodes. So I don't think this is gonna. I think we're gonna have to do that because it should be nested. And then let's see if there's a rate. There should be a rate. And then let's just print out the first part first. We'll try to print out the last bit. This should just print out like hello world mostly. Okay. Okay, we're not. Forgot to add it. Okay, so that's a little off, isn't it? So 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1, 2, 3. Okay, so something's off. And what is off? I don't really know yet. So we'll have to look at the Wikipedia. So I don't know actually. I think. Let's see here. Let's go through the code one by one. Okay, so left link. Right. Oh, wait a minute. And this is supposed to be a left link. Yeah. Right? Let's try that. Same result. Maybe I'm wrong. But why didn't it change at all? Shouldn't have. I feel like it should have gave me a different response or something. Left, right. I feel like I put something weird somewhere. Can copy. Well, maybe let's try that. Let's see if this changes anything. I don't think it should be the exact same, but just in case I was wrong about that, we're gonna do it. Link plus 1. This is right. Right. Okay, so I mean, it gave me the same result, so I'm pretty sure that's the same. But I don't know. So, by the look of their image, I mean, I don't think their image is gonna help me. So maybe I should read the wiki. Huh. Right. So we allocate string. Do we allocate everything? Is everything allocated correctly? Or initialized, I mean. Did I miss something? Doesn't look like it. I don't know. Any messages in chat yet? No. No chat. It's kind of boring without a chat, isn't it? So I do a null termination, and I think I did it right. So why is it only showing, and it's not showing, well, I don't know. So, link this one. How about, well, instead of, well, I mean, we can get rid of that actually and do, this shouldn't fix anything, but at least it'll be a little better. Root left, and then that right, and then what if that did fix it? It didn't. Yeah, that was expected, but at least it's nicer now. So we set the string equal to null, and we set the weight to, well, this is, okay. There's something off with my math. Not entirely sure. I'll try to print like the right side or something, just for fun. Cause maybe it is right. And I'm just okay. And then so maybe it's just aligned weird. Oh. So yeah, maybe it is right. It's just oh, well, I'm looking at the image and it doesn't have, it's like, they had the, well, I mean, still, it's one off, like, it's supposed to be 5, but I mean, that's close. Or maybe, okay, maybe, okay. 5, okay, I think 5 is, because it's, oh yeah, the null okay, the null termination, so basically this is like length 5. Oh, okay. So it was working that whole time. Okay, oh my gosh. Okay, so we have a rope implemented, I think. I have no idea if it, like, it could break. Who knows? Oh, I thought we had someone in chat. I got excited. We do not. Yeah, I want to pull up my, YouTube. Brave, YouTube. And then, can I do that? I just want to see how much views I have on my video now, because it was just constantly going up. Oh heck yeah, 1,000 views. So much. And this went up too, but yeah. It says we have 18 comments. Did I miss one? I like to reply to them. Oh. Ooh. I wonder if that like 2 seconds of like lo-fi is gonna get this video copyrighted. 1K. Look at that. That looks nice. 1K. Music. Oh, it shows you all the music that's in it. That's kind of cool. I didn't know YouTube did that. Oh yeah, I was gonna look at the comments. How do I look at the? How do I look at it? I don't know. Show list. I wanted to look at the comments. Comments. So here. Oh, it's showing like, okay, so I think I have responded to all of them. See, let's go through the comments real quick. Or I should go through the comments on the Python video because they're all kind of funny. So let me do that. Ignore that here. I tried to promote a video, but it wouldn't take my card. So, and this just won't go away. It's gonna be stuck like that forever, probably. Okay, so the Python video and comments. Okay. For number 4, you could use the range. Okay, this was a legit like actual comment. Um, which yeah, I seem to only get I haven't got any mean comments really, so that's kind of interesting. I thought there'd be like at least like a good bit of them. Just because I just started out and so like I'm still kind of learning things. Yeah, so why optimize Python when you can use TypeScript or Rust? I really, I mean, Rust you gotta deal with like, you ever run into those trait problems where uh, or it's like you have to carry lifetimes across everything and it's just annoying. And then sometimes it looks like the lifetime, sometimes it looks like there's no lifetime problems, but then there is, and you just don't know why, and you can't figure it out, and then you try everything, and you just like just give up. Oh, this one was funny. Oh, not I gather you're okay. So not that one wasn't funny, but this right here, because I said true. This person capitalized the D. That's hilarious. I did laugh really hard at that one. Probably like more so than I normally would laugh at something. I don't know, because that was actually kind of funny. Because I was looking at it like all confused. Like, what's up with that? True, I spelled true right, and then I just like realized, oh, it was a Python video. uh, uh, wow, interesting to see. I didn't know many of those. I feel like once you start caring about optimizations, you shouldn't be using Python anyway, which, absolutely, but think about it. You can have your Python code actually be fast, which is kind of like, it's kind of a cool, like, I don't know, accomplishment, I guess, or, it makes you feel good. I mean, like, I don't know how to put it. Like, you can have your Python code kind of be like almost as fast as like other languages, sort of. Not really. It can never be like. You can get kind of close though. I don't know. I mean, uh, the best Python optimization is switch into a better language. Got 'em. No, but seriously. Uh, yeah, optimize Python. This is my comment. Don't write any more Python, which I thought was hilarious. But yeah, okay. So and then thank you. Oh, thanks, Josh. Now my Python script takes hours instead of years. Thanks. That was pretty funny. Okay. And then I don't like in this video. Oops. In this video right here, with all these tags. How do I go to the comments? Okay, here. None of them are funny really. Uh, Thank you, Joshy, which is weird. I don't didn't allow that person to call me Joshy, but yeah, that's right. Yeah, this guy mentioned Clay UI, which is just it's or oh, is Clay UI, is that different from the? Because I know there's Clay. Is Clay UI something else maybe? Oh, maybe it is. I didn't see Clay UI, but I seen Clay, which is it's a layouting thing. Uh, oh, so maybe because I was so I think maybe I misunderstood that actually. And then let's build a text editor and see. Then you use Lua. Yeah, it was gonna be for configuration stuff. I don't know. And then this one was interesting. Right here. With the you guys are humans or aliens because you guys I feel stupid because I don't do things like this. I'm not, or I think you meant to say I'm not criticizing you. I am just saying how great you guys are. People like you are creating stuff in C and C++, and all I can do is create a full stack web app. I am mostly I mostly do full stack web apps. I only get like or at least I used to. Now I'm more doing kind of like anything I want to do. But yeah, no. I started programming at a really young age, but I started with web development. Uh, so I mean, not like I'm not smart at all. So I don't know why this guy thought so. I think it's because I just coded in C and that's it. I don't think they I don't think that makes you smart because anyone could do it. Look at me, I'm doing it right now. So if I could do it, anyone can. Love your character. You can make him a VTuber very simple. When you talk, open his mouth. Be interesting to see. Yeah, tell him to check out my other videos because this video I didn't do any talking because it was nighttime and I didn't want to wake up anybody. Thanks, Josh. I think this guy commented on another video saying thanks, Josh. I don't know what they're thankful for. Goat video, love it. Yeah, I don't know what was goated about it. Literally, I do nothing in it. I accomplished nothing. I have 48 subscribers. Yeah, that's pretty cool. Yeah, literally in this video. Oh, I hope. Okay, let me mute that. I only played like 2 seconds of that sound, so hopefully it doesn't like do anything. Yeah, basically all I accomplished was a button. I'm pretty sure in an hour, and this video was sped up times like 2. So basically 2 hours just for a button. Pretty incredible. I mean, I did like mess around with Lua a bit and try to like dynamic like Lua the file and like mess with the arguments and stuff. So I got distracted there, which I'm getting distracted now actually. And this stream's already an hour and 21 minutes, so I'll try to hurry up a little bit actually. I don't know. So from what we learned, I'm pretty sure this works, right? We set our weight to. Let's change our weight and see if anything happens. Where are we? Oh, in here. Yes. So let's change it to 6. So then it should like print. We changed this, right? Save. Ooh, something's off. Uh-oh. What's going on here? 7. Segment fault. Well, maybe it's because it's like uh-oh. Uh-oh. I don't think it works. I think I was wrong. What is happening? Why is it doing like 4? Did I hard code something somewhere? Okay, so this video is about to go downhill, probably. Like really downhill. Weight or length is less than 4, or whatever the weight is, or I mean length is less than weight, which is I don't know 6 right now. Oh no. Which that's interesting. Why did it only print 4 at a time? Is it because I'm okay? Maybe it's the way I'm doing this. Okay, maybe to save time, I'm gonna put this into ChatGPT or something. Hopefully, it fixes the problem. Yeah, let's do that. Let's what's 10x programmer or 100x? I don't know. What's the thing? Both, right? Okay, so Chromium. Oops. I'm gonna do ChatGPT, and we're gonna paste it here. Or let's say the problem first. Segfault, fix, bad code. Weight is not leaf nodes are not at least size of weight. So let's see here. Can we get a solution? I'm creating internal nodes. The weight should be set to the left child. Right? Okay. Is this the code fix? Everything else looks the same. Is that it? It should be to the left. Oh. Rope. Okay, this is gonna flashbang people, but it's fine. Uh-oh. Oh gosh. So... Right. No, what? Okay, I don't know where those numbers come from, actually. I was thinking the ChatGPT was right. It might be, I don't know. Because I'm pretty sure the, like, parent node should have the same weight as the, left node. But, or the child left node. But wait, what if, okay, we just created root. So what if it doesn't have, I don't know. Yeah, we just created that, so what if it doesn't have a child weight? I mean, I should just give it, I don't know, we'll find out. Okay. Interesting, but it's still not, okay, wait. What do we set it to? It's set at 6 right now. What about 2? See, it's still broken. Do we try a different AI? Because this one didn't work. Wait, did I fuck? Oh, I cussed. I can edit that out. Or does it matter? I don't care. I've been trying not to cuss because I want I don't know. It just it's bad. It's bad cussing. So where? Okay, I'm gonna go here. No, it's just leaving comments and stuff I already did. I thought I just had it wrong or something. Now it's exactly what I have. Okay, life hack. We're gonna use Claude. Can we use it without an account? Let me do this like off screen or something. Gosh, that's bright. Let me hurry up. My password is password. Just kidding. It's not that. Don't try that. What is my password actually? Oh, okay. We're good. Alright, we're gonna do it. Sigfault. Sigfaults. Left node should always be at least, I don't know, 5, or the weight, at least weight. Something like that. Hopefully this finds the bug. I really hope it does, because I'm not going to figure it out. For your information, you set, okay, you correctly set I just did what ChatGPT told me to do. Okay, see, that's what I had, right? Did it change anything else, though? Ah, no, I don't think it changed anything else. I think it's all the same. It just fixed what ChatGPT broke. That's horrible. Unless it did. Did it fix anything? Okay, that's still the same. String copy. Length. Okay. I don't know. Still broken. Or what if it's not broken? I'm just no, it's definitely broken. Huh. I see. Let me take a closer look. Suggest a more confident fix. This better not be like 200 lines of code. Split more carefully. use memcopy instead of... What's the difference between memcopy anyway? Okay, I need to hurry up and get like a rope structure down so I can like use it and such. This video is going to be called AI builds a text editor in C. Okay. This handles it a pretty different way. And probably a better way. See, it checks the allocation sort of. Oops. Yeah. Let's see. Let's try to understand what it gave us at least, or let's see if it works first. Okay, so we're probably just accessing something we shouldn't. So let's see. Oh, you know what? Maybe the old code did work. We just were accessing something that didn't exist. No, it should have. I don't know. Because maybe it was just deeply nested. Like, so let's try to go back and see, maybe see if our code actually worked or something, and maybe it was just accessed wrong, because it does that, right? So let's do this at least. Is that okay? Maybe it's more nested, or more like that. Okay. Why is it the size of 2 now? Or what did we change it to? Is it because we changed it? Maybe I should have a better way of printing this. Oh yeah, I changed it to 2. So I think it might be working. Let's try 4. Okay, so we segfault because probably let's think about it. So 4. Okay, so maybe 1 less. Okay. So I think our code is working actually. Yeah, I should have a print function. Create me a print function for a rope. Print rope structure. Print rope content. Why does it need like 3 functions for this? Wrapper function for easier use. Oh, okay. Gotcha. I'll just copy this and hope it works. Boop. And I think we might be good. So let's try to print out things in a better way. So void print rope, and then I think we just take in a rope or whatever, right? Okay, so maybe this will save us some time. Ah, I lost it. Oh man. Okay, I gotta open it again. Can I get my code back? Is this it? Is this the print? That's not print. Where's the print function? This isn't print. Oh, here. I don't know how to use Claudia. I don't know. Copy. Paste. I probably should have like What's wrong here? Print row conflicting type. What is it conflicting with? I actually don't know. Is it actually conflicting with something? Oh, okay, wait. What is it? Okay, we want this one. Can I click this? I can. That doesn't work. Try again. I think we're good. Oh. Let me check, I think the other thing is, I think it needs, include standard IO, and I think that's good. And I think, I'm gonna remove these comments, but I'm probably gonna add a comment saying this was AI generated, just so it's like, just in case it breaks. Yep. AI generated. Be careful. I mean, I'm sure its code's better than mine. I mean, my code did work, so I didn't actually need it. I didn't need I was just accessing the data wrong. So it doesn't make me any less of a developer. I think. Let's see. Oh, where were we? And how did I just end up doing that? We're going to print. No, we're gonna rope. Print rope structure. Okay. This is taking a minute. Okay, okay. See if the weights are right. Yeah. And it's, yeah. That's a pretty good print function. I probably would have like spent a like good like 20 minutes or so doing that. I don't know. So yeah, we probably should have copied the destroy function. But we can just do that. Or what did I just delete? We don't really need that anymore. So let's implement this real quick. So what? Oh, was I okay? Oops, I didn't mean to delete the buffer. I'll just delete all my buffers. I don't care. Let's put this over here because this will not be AI generated. We're gonna do this all by ourselves. Well, they did their formatting different, and they have their braces up here, which is fine. I don't really care. Okay, so to destroy the ropes, we're pretty much gonna be like if rope is null, now we want to return, and then we just want to recursively go left, destroy the rope, destroy rope. Oh, we'll check out that. Oh, why am I doing equal? What am I doing here? I don't know. Destroy rope. Why is it? That thing's broken. It's not tabbing right. Destroy rope and then do that. Or not that. Left. and then we want to destroy the right side. And then basically all we do is free rope, and then we'll recursively like go down until it reaches the leaf nodes, and then pretty much freeze it, and then, you know, slowly comes out of the recursion, or slow, yeah, I don't know how to explain it. You guys should know what this does. Okay, so I think our destroy function is good, so let's test it, make sure it's not like messed up. So destroy rope root. Okay, we didn't seg fault, so that's probably a good sign. I'm gonna put that there, and gonna uncomment that, and then I want to fix everything up. Which, wait, I don't even need a rope over here. The whole point of the rope was to put it in the our code thing, our code UI, our text editor. So now that we have rope, well, we don't need it here, we don't need that here. Every code block will probably store its own rope, basically. Right. Rope. So can I just import it? Oh, nice. So basically just I guess just a rope. Do I just want to call it rope? I guess so. And then we want to go into our create function. What? Go into our create function. Okay. Go into our create function. And then let's just hard code something in, probably. Create rope. Let's just do like const some text, like what's up, my dude? And then let's use the text and then a string length of that text, which I don't think we have string in here, so we gotta include that. I like how I have no views. What is going on? Is YouTube gonna recommend this, you know, the live stream yet? How long do I have to wait? Okay, so I'm assuming. Oh, let me consider. Can I do that? That just works, right? Okay, so we also want to do destroy rope code rope. Okay. And then we basically want to traverse the rope and then like render each letter separately, I think. Yeah. So let's do that, I guess. It's gonna be difficult, I think. Okay, we do want to like a font size of some sort, so I think I'm just gonna have like font set up here. Font size, I'll say 20. That's usually a good size, actually. I don't know. Okay, so basically we just want to go through the rope and draw it. So maybe we can should we do it recursively, maybe? Oh, okay, thanks. Oh, we got someone in chat, okay. Nice. Hey, Tyler, what's up? Tyler R. Nothing's not like delayed, is it? I think it's good. Alright, so we have to go through the whole rope and then render character by character. So we're gonna do draw text. We'll do. I don't really want to put like a recursive colon here. What's a good way to do this? We could kind of traverse it like it's a linked list or something. Because I mean, kind of is. And then, oh, how do we traverse it? Okay, so I think we'll go through the rope, and then we need some sort of stack or something. Or a stack would be nice, but we don't have that, so it's unfortunate. I don't know. What if I just make a stack of pointers and I just like go through the whole thing and then push it to push pointers to the stack, pointers to the text and the rope. Sounds kind of dumb though. Tyler left, I think. He said he heard me, but I don't know. He didn't say how well he heard me. What if it's super quiet? Okay, so yeah, let's just, this runs right. Oh, and then I was, okay, so I forgot to change this. I mean, we can keep it at 4, or no, let's put it at 5. 5 is a good number. And then doesn't say fault, we're great, doing good. Okay, I think we're getting somewhere. It's basically, I think, it's just I mean, the way they go through. Okay, well, that for loops kind of, we don't need that. Well, I pretty much want to traverse till it hits the bottom and then pop whatever so kind of like the destroy function actually. So like pretty much I want this, except at the end I think I want to push to a stack. Maybe? And should I make a stack for this? I really don't want to. I might have to though. And then if I'm like pushing to a stack every time. Well, maybe, okay, so maybe I save the stack and then I render from the stack instead of the rope. This seems bad too. I don't know. I don't like these ideas. Let me just try to go through the rope and like see if I can just draw each letter without having to like do anything. So let's see. Oh, so I guess we can use while loops, and then probably have like a rope current, I guess, which will equal just code the rope, right? And then while something, while current I don't know. While current doesn't equal I guess doesn't equal null. I don't know. I'm not sure. We want to make current equal code to the left. How about we, should we do this, like current left equals code. Maybe we'll have something like this, because we don't have to worry about the root node. So rope left, rope current right, code rope right. I don't know. Okay, it's basically we want to go all the way down until we hit null. And then what do we do after that? I don't know. Well, after we do that, I think we want to set the current left to whatever the right left is. Or, no, wait, wait, because we want to handle the right side too. Well, dang, this is tough. I really don't know. It's really hard to do this non-recursively. I guess I'll do it recursively then. Draw, yeah, I don't know, draw node, or draw character, draw rope, let's do that. And basically, what are we gonna take? We're gonna take the rope, I guess. I'm gonna take the rope, and then I guess I don't know, the depth, and then but then what do I do then? I don't know. How do you draw a rope? Man, if I give up at this point, then it's really gonna be bad. Okay, so we're like 2 hours in. If I can draw this and like edit the text, I think I'll consider that like a decent enough video. I don't know if we'll get there though. Okay, so we want to go. Let me look at Wikipedia, because they kind of show you like some pseudocode on how to do that, like how to traverse it. Why did I just go straight to Wikipedia? I don't know. Rope structure. Okay. What? Data structure. Amazing. What is going on here? Is it zoomed? Oh yeah, because I was zooming. Collect leaves. Okay. Create a stack S and list L. Left. Okay, add for parent of LP. Thomas repeat procedure to the right subtree. Uh-oh. How do I do that? Do I really have to make like some sort of stack? I really don't want to. There has to be like a good recursive way of like collecting all the leaves and drawing them, but that does sound like the best way to do it is a stack. Do I really have to implement a stack though? How hard is it to implement a stack? What if I made the stack just a linked list so it's super easy? But then I have to like implement that? I don't. Let's just implement a linked list real quick and use it as a stack. Just so we don't have to like deal with like resizing. Like I don't want to do like a dynamic array. I want to do a linked list. Just because I think it's probably easier to implement. So I'll try to like speed code this list or list. I'll just call it list. I don't know. Abstract list. Right. What do we need for a linked list? I don't know. I just want to store the next node pretty much. And then next, and then like the value of whatever we're putting in that list. So what are we gonna put in this list? I don't know. I have no clue. Should we put the character point, or should we put the text in there? Like push the text as the list? But why were they push it? Why do they have like 2 stacks for theirs? Oh, I think I understand. I think they were, so they pushed the leftmost to the stack, right? And then they have another list where they just add in, like, they just push the right nodes in to handle afterwards. Right? No, wait, that doesn't make any sense, does it? Processing. No idea, actually. Because, I mean, you could kind of do it like that. Oh man, this is tough. I really don't know. And I'm tired. Tired and dumb. Requires name. Oops. Yeah, that's true. So, what do we want to do? Maybe just a rope. Maybe we'll build like a rope stack. Or a pointer to a rope at least. Just so we can. That seems really dumb, but I don't know. Yeah, I guess that makes the most sense, right? Which we have to include this now. Rope. Okay, and then we have to create list.c, which I'm creating any. Okay, let me actually go back. I gotta do all this. Let us create list. Void, I don't care. An empty list. Return list. List. Then we're gonna do list. Dialog size of list. List. And we gotta import malloc. Starting to lose it. Wait, why did I just do that? I don't even know. Don't ask me. Okay, so, oh, and I'm implementing this in a header. Okay, so, let me just copy this so I don't lose it. Beep. Okay, so we want that, and then we also want to destroy the list. We don't want to touch any of the items probably, since something else would be like storing them. Right? So yeah, don't delete the rope, but delete the next. Right. I don't know. Do we want to store like previous? Probably not. Just be like a normal linked list, I guess. Destroy list. take in a list to destroy the list. Yeah, that's it. Or append. We append. Append to list. Take in a list plus a rope. To append to the list. Okay, let me save that. Okay, so whatever. Actually, this might be like just fine how it is. Or what? Next. Oh, for append? Huh, since we kind of wanted like a stack, should we just, nah, okay, I was just thinking, I don't know. So let me put that there, so I'll implement this first. Okay, so basically, usually how linked lists work, you just like, have a list, or call it current, and then it's going to equal the list that we have, and then while current doesn't equal null, pretty much, we're gonna set current equal whatever's next, current.next, and we do that last, I think. Ooh, yeah, wait. List item equals create list. No, wait a minute. What am I doing here? Wait a minute. What did I just do? Right. Yeah, that's right. No. I confused myself. Create list. Like that. And then we set the item. Or, yeah, we do something like this. Item or next. Or item or rope equals rope. And then we do current next equals item, right? And then we set the current to next. Yeah, that should be it. I think that's the whole implementation of the list, honestly. And then we gotta delete it. So we basically do the same thing here for deleting the list. Sort of, actually, I don't know. I think it's gonna work a little bit differently. Because we kind of want to work from it backwards to delete it in order. Or actually, no, we could actually just delete it as we go through it, I think. I think that would be fine. Delete, a free list. And, oh wait, put this here. Right, do that first because we need to get it before we delete it. Right. Yeah, we could just do that last actually. Just it just has to be after next. That should be fine, right? Free. Oh, we should be free and current. Right. Oh, not there. So wait, that has to go here, I think, because we're gonna free current. No, wait a minute. That doesn't make sense. Okay, wait. We want a free current. No, we don't. How do we do that, actually? Was I right with this? I do... Well, maybe we should just, We could do this recursively as well. But I really don't want to do that. So how do we do this exactly? Because we kind of need to. Okay, we set current to list. Okay, to list next. Okay, wait, no, wait. What am I doing here? So this will equal next. Got it. Okay. And then current next will equal current next. Is this? Okay, wait. Okay, wait, no, wait. What am I doing? I don't even know, man. Okay, so current should equal current next. We're gonna free current though. See, we're gonna free current, so now current equals null. But then we set current to current next. Wait a minute. Okay, wait. How do we do this? Do I have to throw like a temp? I think I need a temp. So list temp. Okay, so restore. Okay, yeah, that makes sense. that makes a lot. That makes a lot more sense. Okay, so we store the next item in the list in a temporary variable, and then we free current, right? I mean, we can actually do that. Yeah, no, we have to do it there. Okay, and then we're gonna just set current equal to temp. Pretty much. I think that's it. Yeah. Should we try it? Let's see. Yeah, main. I think I called it list. So let's just create a new list. List equals create list. Yeah. And then should we do it? I mean, we could just keep. Huh. Well, yeah. Okay. So let's just append to the list, and gonna create like a so list and then the rope. So I guess we can just create a rope, and then I'll just do like a single character, just because I don't feel like counting that, and then let's just keep appending them, and then I do this, right, maybe, and then let's destroy the list like so, and then let's print it out what we're destroying, so we can get it from the value here. Yeah, okay, we can print it here, I think. Printf, some sort of string. What's gonna be current rope string. And this should work, as long as like rope and everything works too. It has to all work for it to work. Do string. Here, I think that's it. Oh, not string. What am I doing? Standard IO. Did I not? Oh, what the heck? Okay. Oh, first off, I didn't add it. So I gotta do that. Also, I want to make sure nothing else runs. Cause yeah, turn 4, not 4. Wait, where did I get 4 from? Uh-oh. wonder what it's doing right now. Well, maybe we should, maybe it should be like a doubly linked list or a double linked list or something. I mean, but also this should work. Why isn't it working? Close next. Current doesn't. Okay, what part is actually? Oh, jeez, the dog just barked. So what part is actually like causing? I'm just gonna assume it's this. Let's comment that out and see if it works. Okay, now I guess our problem is in the append list functions. So let me well, let's see if destroy actually runs. Okay, I mean destroy ran. And then we take, okay, so dot next create item. Or do we want to do this? I think we don't want to do that. Current does not equal null. So create list. Or yeah. Okay, so we create an item. We attach it to next. So what's the problem here? So we have a list, and we're assuming the list is empty. Which, well, it doesn't matter if it's empty or not, it should just do it. So wait, why does it just loop on forever? Isn't that odd? Next. Oh my god. Why are we creating that here? Eventually. Okay, yeah. No, actually, we'll put that here still. And then we just pretty much move current to the end of the list. And after the loop, we do current, current row equals, or current next equals, item. Right? I think that's it. Okay, I think I was close though. I don't know what it is. Well, let's put this here. Let me see. Okay. So we have list. Well, current is not null. Should it be, oh, well, it should be like that, right? This should also be like that. Okay, I mean, that's something. Was it the last one? Is that not supposed to be like that? Okay, let me think here. Next equals item. Oh, we don't need that there. Oh my gosh. Sigful. Okay, so was that right? Do I need this here? Okay, so, well, yeah, we do want to check if this is null, and we do want to stop at that point, right? Okay. Do we print out everything? So should this have been like that? Probably not. No, because oh no. So we did right. We did it right. Line print new line, and then let's test this like further. So ABCD. Okay, so we have made a linked list. Let's just do it again. Just test it. Bloop. Put more. I put more in here. Oh, so basically, we got something here at least. ABC. Should just print ABC, I think. Right? Yeah. Okay, so we're a list work. That's great. Now, why did we need the list? We needed it for the thing. Thinking. What if I just implemented that whole thing for nothing? Who knows actually? Basically, I think we're good. We just want to create a stack or whatever, which we have to include a list. So list of group or just gonna stack or whatever, and we just create an empty list, and then I think we're gonna oh, I don't need this for or let's do like while okay, let's do current. Okay, yeah. Current equals root. Oh, we should also pass in code, which is like that. So basically gonna do something similar, which oops. Oh, I don't need this open anymore. I noticed. Okay, so we're basically gonna do similar stuff to what we did with the linked list. So, well, current left, well, it doesn't equal null. Oops. Doesn't current left. Oops. Or what did I just do? I feel like I just did something weird. Current left does not equal null. I want to set current equal current equal to current next or left. So we're basically gonna go down all the way to the end of the lefts to the left. Right, and then ooh, this is gonna be tough. I don't really know exactly what we're gonna do. So we go all the way down to the left, and then what? I guess we're just gonna push those to the stack. This can't be right. I wish someone was in chat to help me. Okay, so we have this so far. So let's just like push stuff to the stack and just like draw it just to see what we get. I don't even care if it's right or not. I just want to draw something. And list stack, and then our element, which is going to be current rope. Or current, it's just going to be current. And you pass in the current thing. Which, no wait. Should we do that afterwards? Yeah, we should probably do it afterwards. Which, if we pass in could, we don't have to pass in rope. I don't think. Okay, so we basically just go through the rope and then push it towards push everything that's on the left to the stack. How about we only push it if it is a leaf node? That probably makes more sense, right? So if it is a leaf node, well, we just put it here then. Huh. I don't know about this. Basically, yeah, I mean, that would be it. Did I even need a stack, actually? Whatever. Let me just, like, comment this out. And I'm just gonna draw, the end of the rope. So, it should be able to just draw text. And then I'm just gonna draw the 0, 0. And then, or we gotta put the text here, so it'd be current string, and then we'll just put it like, oh, we'll add some space here, so, and then font size, and then we're gonna do black, or white, I guess, or gray white, or code foreground, I think it was, and then we're just gonna draw a rope. And hopefully that does something. I want to draw at least like one letter. Ooh, we got a word. We got the first. Okay, so we got something there. Right. Okay. Well, then we. I don't know what to do. Man. For each one, we kind of pretty much got to do the same thing. So maybe this is, yeah, maybe this is good actually. Kind of want to have the same thing on the inside of the loop, I think. I really don't know actually, because well, we should start from I don't know. This is tough. So we start from the root, and then we should go down all the way to the left, and then we should kind of like maybe backtrack upwards. This is gonna be tough. Okay, so go down. Okay, so root node, go all the way down to the left, and then append that to the list, and then we gotta backtrack somehow, which I don't know how we're gonna do that. Basically, That's gonna be interesting. Because I think I want to. Okay, so maybe I should append in here. Right. And then we should have like maybe rope temp equals current. Right. Did I even need a stack at all? Did I just implement a stack for no reason? Or a linked list? Or no. Okay, no, we're gonna we're gonna use it probably, right? Yeah. Maybe. We'll see, I guess, I don't know. Okay, so we push that. So then once we do that, I think we want to okay, wait, we only want to push it if the current left. Ooh. I don't know. Should we also just this is tough. Oh hey, we got someone in chat. Life is good, but I'm struggling here. Trying to figure out some stuff. I don't even know how to explain it. Oh no, I was hoping someone could just like join in the chat and like kind of just save the day. Oh, that's interesting. Yeah. Yeah. Machine learning's fun. I kind of know a little bit about it. I'm not too great with it. Yeah, Rust is probably one of my favorite languages for at least if you're developing like a language or like a programming language or something. It's pretty easy to develop it in Rust. Or it's at least like fun. Oh yeah, yeah. I did that's a good video, I think, probably, hopefully. Yeah, well, you should build a programming language. It's fun. And then build a game in it. Yeah. Okay, I gotta figure out how to draw this. Basically, I'm trying to build a text editor, and I have this rope data structure, and I have to try to figure out how to render each character by character. But it's like it's a weird data structure, so I don't know how to like traverse it right. It's kind of similar to like a linked list in a way, or that's how I'm treating it at least. And I don't know yet. So here, okay, I go through the list. I go all the way to the left side of the tree. I can try to take you through the plan. I don't really understand the plan. So yeah. Basically, there's this data structure called a rope, and it's just a binary tree, pretty much. It just stores characters. Like I can show you. Let me. Oh, actually, I think if I leave this alone, it'll probably be fine. But I don't know. So let me actually comment this all out. Oops. So yeah, okay, I think I gotta include it. So, ooh, I can't type at all. Rope. And then, I think, what did I call it? Root, and then create rope. And then you give it some, like, characters, like hello world. And then you give it the size of it. Just use string length, to get it. So, hello world. I gotta put the exact same thing. I think a better way to do that, but for now it's fine. So basically, you got this rope, and then I got this function that prints it. So root. So this is the structure of the rope. You see it? So basically, yeah, each leaf node will hold like a certain uh, amount of characters. Like I can set the amount of characters it'll hold. Right now it's holding 3. It's supposed to hold 4, I think, but I don't know. I think it might be broken. Uh, it's just so it's like supposedly so you could just insert or it's easier to insert. I don't know why they use a rope data structure, honestly. I could have done like I could just do a linked list and just like do that. When like well, it would have to be like a double linked list or something, but still, it would be a lot easier than this. I don't know, cause it's a little complicated. So yeah, let me put that back to normal. And then, what was I doing? Here. So, I think I want to... Maybe I just want to check if this is null, or not null. Because I want to go... If the left equals null, I want to append it, and then I want to set current, current equal to, temp right, basically. Yeah, fair play. Wait, what do you mean by that? Huh. Okay, so now, not sure. I don't think I'm pushing these right. Basically going like from the root to all the way to the leftmost left node, and then once I push that to the stack, I set the parent of that to the right node, or I get the, I don't know how to explain this. Oh yeah. So far I can, yeah, I mean, right now it's broken, but it'll work in a second, I think. So, gotta get rid of this, or gotta like, list, let's just call this, I don't know. This will also be current list, I don't know. Hard naming things. And then this will just equal, oh, yeah, this will just equal stack. And then I pretty much just want to go through the whole list. So, current list, next, doesn't equal null. Okay, then I set current list next, or no, current list equals current list next, and then as we're going through the list, well, it should be. I think I'm gonna go through the list backwards. Actually, it's fine. I don't care. I'll render the text backwards. Okay, and then so far so good. Basically, gonna do this. Current list rope string, and then we might be good actually. Oops. Let's see if this crashes. Yeah, it crashes. Where are we segfaulting at? Probably this or something. I don't even know. Let me get rid of that. See if that fixes it. No, crashes there too. So it must be here then. Tap that right. Oh. If. Okay, wait. Tap. Huh. I don't know what the problem is actually. So tap current. Or is it this? Is that next? Current list equals current list next. So how about just that? So what is causing this exactly? I don't think it's this. So definitely like what I'm doing here. So I get the current. The current doesn't equal now. No, store current here. Current left. Did I just forget to do something or something? What's going on? So draw code. Current. Oh wait. Well, first I was supposed to do that, I think. Is that right? Still segment faults. Huh. This is odd. Wait, what if it's not this at all? It has to be this though. Thinking. Oops. Let me So there's definitely that. So what are we doing here? Set current to rope. And then current, well, current is not equal to null. We do this. Set current equal to left. If current left, oh, we should, oh, got it. I was doing the wrong thing. Penned. Temp. I do want to, okay, so actually, we're gonna pen that and set current equal to temp right. Okay, okay. Oops. Okay, that. Okay, now we have a problem here. So let's do this. Alright. That's interesting. I got something at least. Alright, but we didn't get everything I wanted. Let me look at, how did I do this? So, destroy list. I pretty much want something similar to that, but just for, drawing. So, let me actually paste that here. So what did I do? Next. Okay, so okay. Wait, for this I mean. Right. Oh no, wait, this was right. If current equals null. Get what at least, that's cool. But we're not getting the rest of the text. Which I mean would be drawing at the same. Okay, so let me x yeah, let's just start that at 0. It's like 20 or something. So we don't get anything besides what's or what. I just have the text hard coded right now. So I just have this text and it creates the rope and it attaches it to the our code component thing, which is going to be our text editor. Oh. That's fair. Good luck. Yeah. Okay. What do I do? Alright, thank you. Yeah. Okay, I mean... What the hell? I must be setting something wrong, or I'm not pushing everything. Can I just print when I push like that? No, I don't want to do that. Maybe check. No, I don't want to do that. So we have the rope. We check if the current rope. Right, I guess it's okay. I'm tired. Current temp. Oof. What do we do here? So I'm storing this here. Well, that would be... Okay, so we get all the way to the bottom, to the left. So this would hit the bottom, and then once it hits the bottom, we get the parent node of that bottom node, and then we append it to the list, and then we set the thing to its right, and then we basically do we do that. Oh, I think we kind of want it like. Oh, this is rough. Super bad right here. Huh. It's hard to reason about. Also, I'm super tired. So, I think we kind of want it to like. Okay, once we hit the bottommost node. Why isn't this like. This should be working. Wait a minute. Wait. No, I guess that's right. Pen list. Okay. Maybe we have like let's have okay, let's have like two lists. This would be for the right side or something. I don't know. Rights. Great list. Pen list. Yeah, I don't know. Current, right, or we want to put this in rights, and we also don't want this right here. We want it above it. We'll just put it here. So we're going to just push all the rights into the right, and I guess maybe we'll handle that separately. Oh boy. Maybe, okay, so maybe we'll have lesson rights. And so here we push to the right. Then here, I don't know. Yeah, I guess here we just push to the left. Then basically we're gonna do the same thing here, I think. Yeah, that's tough. Then we get rid of this and that and that and I guess that too. Pretty much everything. Oh, I'm so tired. I'm gonna fall asleep. Watch me not finish this. Okay, so scope current, we have while loop, then we're appending all the right nodes to the rights list, and then we're going to pull the lefts. We don't really care. Okay, we only put the right if it's like, ugh, I don't even know. I don't even know. I feel like we basically want to do the same thing here in another loop, but just have it do it for the rights, because we get the leftmost nodes. This is tough. I don't know. Okay, wait. Let's ask AI. Boop 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 boop. That one. Will it remember the last thing I did? What if I click this? Struggling to collect all the leaf nodes in order. Was that close? Code goes now. Okay, I mean they do check at least. Leaves, collect leaves. They have a helper function. Wait, can you just put a function in there like that? I don't know, but I'm just gonna copy and paste this probably and see if it works. Oh, but I don't want to destroy the list. So let's see what they're doing exactly. I don't have any of these functions. Can I not collect the leaves without like doing like all this? Pretty much. I guess, I mean, I don't know if that helps at all. I don't know. I mean, basically, we're gonna check the current bundle. Okay, how about we... How do we do this? I'm super tired. I don't feel like doing all this. I really don't want to make a third part to this, but maybe I will after I research ropes a little bit more. So, yeah, I do think this is going to be it for the video, because I'm tired. I need a nap. Well, I need sleep. I need like 10 hours of sleep. Maybe 12 hours. Maybe longer. Probably just won't wake up. Okay, so I'm gonna go to bed. It was a fun stream at the beginning, and then it slowly just started dying. Just wasted 2 hours. Oh my god, 3 hours. And I didn't even get anything done. I just struggled. I think that's... I feel like the start was strong though, so maybe that's... they'll make up for the, 3-hour stream. Alright, well that's gonna be it. Peace guys. How do I do this?